2019 Audi A6 driver's note to review the just right sized Audi sedan. The 2019 Audi A6 is completely new for this model year, and replaces a model that had been on sale with minimal revisions since the 2012 model year. Though the old model still held up, a new model was certainly due. The car features more exaggerated fenders and crisp lines, as well as a completely redesigned cockpit with edgy panels and two enormous touchscreens. We brought one into the office to see what it's like to live with. The test car was a top-of-the-line A6 3.0T Quattro Prestige. That trim, an $8,200 upgrade, added a heads-up display, adaptive headlights, surround view camera system, virtual cockpit instrument display, power trunk, 4-zone climate control, rear sunshades, multicolor ambient lighting, dual-pane acoustic glass, and an upgraded Bang & Olufsen audio system. Other options included the individual contour seating package for $3,200, the driver assistance package for $2,750, the 20-inch wheel sport package that also added stiffer suspension for $1,050, and the $600 cold weather package with heated steering wheel and rear seats. All these options brought the A6's base price from $59,895 to $76,290. Editor-in-Chief Greg Migliore, what size Audi do you take? We've had several large sedans come through our fleet in the past few weeks. The A7 is my favorite, but the A6 is a close second. Sorry A8L, although that one's great for putting a car seat in. The A6 has presence. The design is well tailored, and the proportions are elegant. The grille, big wheels and flashy lights smartly dressed things up. Like a stainless steel watch with a white dress shirt. Inside, the brown and black materials are subtle, almost austere, yet make for a complex and sophisticated setting. It feels very cultured in here. I like the ledge that bisects the dash, making the interior feel more impressive and substantial. The V6 and 7-speed S-tronic are a silky combo, and the A6 rides comfortably without being too soft. Our tester came in around $77 grand, which felt like a solid value for a premium atmosphere like this.